I'm not gonna front. I miss my lady of leisure days. Sometimes I do. I'm a single mother who's cleaning up her son's room because for some reason he can't find the strength to do it himself. The fellas got mad at me because I just released a book called Lady of Leisure, How to Become a Lady of Leisure. Fellas mad at me. They're like, you need to be teaching women to be married. Okay. So I asked them, I was like, so, ladies, what do you want to do? What do you want me to teach you? I did a whole ass poll. And of course, guess what the lady said? They wanted me to teach them passive income, how to be a lady of leisure. I'm sorry, I'm not the woman that's going to be out here teaching women how to be married. That doesn't make me any less influential, and that doesn't mean that women can't trust me or listen to me. And fellas, it definitely doesn't mean I'm teaching women to have a nasty attitude because they have the money to do so. You know how y'all do? Y'all think because y'all got money, that mean y'all got options and that mean y'all can sleep around with a whole bunch of women? Well, that's the same thing that women think. If she got her own money, that means she can have an attitude problem all she want to. Now, I don't agree with neither one of y'all. I think everybody should be out here making their own money, doing their own thing, and coming together like a team, building a lifestyle. Knocking out that interdependence power couple type of vibe. I don't think nobody needs to be living off of nobody. Do I think women should be out here wanting to be single mothers and stuff like that? Nah, I'm a single mother. It's difficult. I'm tired. So of course, I'm going to teach women how not to live alone. But at the same time, I'm going to teach women how to live alone. Because at this point, I think a lot of us just don't have a choice. Download my book, y'all. Now I'm just going to teach y'all how to make some money and be a stay-at-home mom. Those lady of leisure days when I had to do absolutely nothing with my time but chill. My lady of leisure book, that's for them childless women, for them free women. I got y'all. I remember when I was a free woman. Yes, I remember. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday.